Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Cosmictron here. In today's video I want to show you a good way that you can make a little bit of extra money, whether you're struggling right now or whether you have no money at all. Well, the apps you have to download, one being PayPal and then the other app Money Cash. So in this app right here, Money Cash, I already did a test in the coins that I got. I already had $1 sent to my PayPal. So here it is right here. As you can see, I have $1.20 in my PayPal account for my balance currently. And here is the Money Cash app. Okay, so what you do is you play and you can earn. So you earn coins, and as you can see, I'm close to 28,000 coins for a $5 payout. You install, different games and play them and collect these coins. So whatever game you want to install that you think might be fun, hey, install it and rack up on the coins, because it definitely does pay out. It pays out from low to high. And here is all the payments that can get paid out. You can get paid out $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, and $50. But to get to 50, you got to get up to at least 280,000 coins. But if you keep installing like 10 or more games, it should be easy to do, especially when you're playing it and you just gotta, play the events in the quest that they ask you to play to get the coins, and you will reach your payment to get paid out. Will this make you rich? No, it will not make you rich, but it's a start to get you in the right direction. So I definitely want to say that this is definitely a legit app. So if you want to check this app out, definitely check it out and download it, give it a go. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Peace.